Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Let me introduce myself and my group members. I am Zulhanif bin Rozali and my group members are Jurel Johannes and Ahmad Sodiq bin Lokman. We are from Faculty Electrical and Electronics Engineering, University Technical Malaysia, Melaka, and we are Group 2. First of all, we would like to thank our lecturers, Sir Cik Wan Muhammad Faizal bin Cik Wan Muhammad Zalani and Sir Muhammad Shahrani bin Johal for giving us an interesting question for our assignment for the subject electrical installation. In this presentation, we will discuss about questions that have been given or the problem statement. A registered electrical wireman installed an internal wiring switchboard using cable without insulator. Does he obey with the electrical regulation, and how suppose he must do it? Relate with electrical regulation. For the introduction, insulate wire used to surround and protect the wire. It means that the insulator protects the conductor from temperature, abrasion, and moisture. Uninsulated wire means there is no protective material resistance to an electrical current surround the conductor. Why do we need to insulate wires? We may know the important insulated wiring but not know exactly why it is so essential. First of all, why do we need to insulate wire is because of safety. Electrical wire insulation is essential to keep an area safe and help individuals avoid electrical shock. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration or OSHA considers exposed wires, want insulation and remove insulation as electrical hazards. For the second, because of durability and protection. For the third, because of leakage prevention. And for the last is because of color coding. Electrical wires are color coded to certain standards for consistency. Color codes allow for quick identification, making wiring job simpler. That's all from me, and for more explanation about insulated wire, I will pass to our group member.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Thank you to the previous presenter, Zulhanif bin Rozali. Now I will take my part to present the next presentation from our group. I will explain about the electrical regulation when doing or install wiring in switchboard or anything else that related to the wiring. Alright. Based on Electricity Regulations 1994, P15 number 2, a conductor shall be insulated and effectively protected, also placed or safeguarded in such a manner as to prevent danger. It means that everything that is related to electricity must have insulation, no matter on the switchboard or anything else. So it is clearly that The wireman has doing something wrong and has break the rules that have been fixed by the Electricity Regulations 1994. For more explanation, I will explain it on the next slide. Alright, what is this meant for? The wireman installed an internal wiring a switchboard using cable without insulator. The fault is he is installing switchboard with cable without insulator. Why cannot he do that? It is because when he is installing switchboard using cable without insulator, there is a possibility that the wire will have an accidental contact with another wire, and this will make a short circuit. Or worse, it will sparking or blow up. If this happens, then it will make the householder in dangerous situation, as there are many cases happen house burn because of electric spark or blow up. That's why as a wireman we must be careful when installing wire and follow the regulation that have been fixed to prevent danger happen to someone else. So next, how to rectify it. The wireman should know the type of wiring and cable selection based on insulation layers. So based on the cable selection EC Guidelines 2021, the wireman should know the wiring type. So the switchboard is in wiring type of conduit type dark on concealed. So he must know that based on the conductor insulation layer, he should use the single insulated conductor. So this is from the EC Guideline 2021. That's all. Thank you. Now we'll pass to the last presenter, Jurel Juanes.
Hello, my name is Jurel Juanes. Today I will present for my part is suggestion in how suppose he do it. First, how he is supposed to do it. The wireman must use suitable insulated wire, because the use of insulated wires aims to prevent direct human contact to protect the network itself from thermal, mechanical, and chemical effects. Insulated wire can prevent damage to switchboards such as circuit breakers and main switches. The wireman must follow the rules and have been set so as to prioritize the safety of himself and others from being hit by any electrical shocks. And my main point is the wireman need to an insulated cable, because cable and wire insulation prevents the insulated wires current from coming into contact with other conductors. It preserves the wire material against environmental threats and resists electrical leakage. Use an electrical tape, which is an expensive general purpose insulating tape with better resistance to moisture, abrasion, and corrosion. Moisture can cause corrosion on insulation. To protect switchboard from corrosion under insulation, wireman must provide a barrier directly on the surface from steel, such as corrosion-resistant coating may protect them from the effect of water. Use the tape insulate electrical wires and other materials that conduct electricity. Electric tape protects wires and cords from outside elements like dust and moisture that may cause damage over time. Okay, the suggestions. The suggestion is to prevent this from happen in our society and environment. The point is, Suruhanjaya Tenaga or Energy Commission (ST) must strengthen the law and regulation regarding the installation of switchboard and cable use. If the wireman found guilty, to follow the rules in Peraturan 15 (2) and P15 (2) or P15 (2), the wireman will charge to legal actions and high penalty. Other than that, if the wireman found guilty not to follow the rule in P15 (2), ST or Suruhanjaya Tenaga have the right to provoke their license. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for hearing our presentation.